David Nurse has been a tremendous blessing in my life. I mean, I really mean that. When I first met David, I was in a funk. I was lost in my career direction for years and really unhappy. And today, I could proudly say that I'm an entrepreneur. I'm a business owner in the real estate world.
Hey David, just wanted to say thank you so much for leading me through the breakthrough course. Our team, our family was amazing. Your leadership in those sessions was really great for me personally. It helped me break through. As you know, I booked speaking engagement with over 1,300 kids in it, and I just love the way that you carry yourself. I love the way you cheer people on to be the best that they can be, and I certainly benefited from it. I really look at it as a great investment.
So thank you for all your support, all the advice, all the tools, and equally important, the confidence that you gave me, the courage to take the leap of faith, getting out of the mold, be my authentic self, and risking it and no regrets. And you always emphasize family first. So in my professional career and my personal, it's well balanced, really happy in both spaces. Really owe it to you, David.
And when I say immediate impact, that is exactly what I mean. He goes in depth, he gives us great strategies, advice. He has me thinking differently about my business strategies and my business goals. He is definitely challenging me to take my business and myself to the next level.
It was truly a life-changing experience getting to be with such a great group of people and getting to get mentored by you. I can honestly say I would not be where I'm at in life right now if it wasn't for getting to work with you. I can't thank you enough. I really appreciate all the opportunities to work with the great people to be the breakthrough group. And man, iron sharpens iron.
This experience far exceeded my expectations, from the community to the accountability to being able to make changes in my life that have impacted me both personally and professionally. I cannot thank you enough. I highly, highly recommend this to anybody who is out there looking for a breakthrough, whether that's small changes in your day-to-day habits or whether that's just the encouragement and the inspiration to know that you can be a part of something bigger and you can live the life that you've always dreamt of living.